Hallo, I'm a German teacher and I'm challenging you to learn German in only 40 days. Forget learning from a textbook. Together you will learn German in a very simple, structured, and practical way. Every day I'll teach one focused lesson on vocab or grammar that you can actually use in real life. We'll build step by step, and by the end of the 40 days, you will be able to form sentences on various topics and have real life conversations in German. You don't need any experience. You just need a notebook, a few minutes a day, and the willingness to stick with it. If you've ever wanted to learn German, this is your chance to finally do it. With guidance, structure, and consistency. Day 1 starts now. Click on this video to jump right in. Let's get to work.